Trading with the trend is obviously the most efficient method to make money in the market. But, most of the time, identifying market trends is easier said than done. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, right? But fear not, my friends. With the help of the right indicators, it becomes a bit easier. In this video, we're diving into one such indicator that might just become your new best friend in trading. It's called the whole butterfly oscillator created by LuxAlgo. So what's the deal with this indicator, you might wonder? Well, we're going to break it down for you what it is, how to use it to trade, and hey, we're even going to combine it with another technical analysis indicator to craft a strategy you can use to navigate those markets like a pro. And hey, if you find value in what we're sharing, do us a solid and smash that like button. Let's dive right in. All right, let's talk about this whole butterfly oscillator. To slap it onto your chart, head over to TradingView, load up any trading security you fancy, like your favorite pair. Personally, I'm vibing with ETH/USDT. Then click on indicators and type in whole butterfly oscillator. You'll want to select the one by LuxAlgo. Now, this indicator is pretty slick. It's like your trusty sidekick in the trading world. You've got this white line cruising along, that's your whole butterfly oscillator, and smack dab in the middle, you've got the zero level. Between the zero level and the whole butterfly oscillator, you've got this groovy red and green histogram filling up the space. Plus up top, we've got two levels, one at 0.16 and the upper one at 0.32 on the scale. So what's the deal with these levels, you ask? Well, when the whole butterfly oscillator dips below the lower level, it's shouting, hey, the market might be oversold. And when it shoots above that upper level, it's saying, whoa, hold up. Market might be overbought. Pretty neat, huh? And guess what? You can tweak some settings like the length and levels multiplier to suit your style. But for now, let's keep it simple. Now, you might be itching to know,
how do we actually use this indicator to spot trends?
Well, buckle up, because I'm about to spill the beans. So how do we actually trade with this bad boy? One way is to use it to spot overextensions in the market, when things get a bit too hot or too cold. If the whole butterfly oscillator strays above that upper level, it might be time to think about short positions. And vice versa, if it dips below the lower level, it's like a sign saying, hey, potential oversold territory here. But you know what's even cooler? Using this indicator as a trend filter. Yeah, we're talking about spotting those bullish and bearish trends like a boss. For a bullish trend, look for that green histogram chilling under the whole butterfly oscillator. Simple, right? And for a bearish trend, well, you get the idea. Now let's spice things up a bit and craft a simple strategy. We're going to throw in another tool, the Andean Oscillator by Alex Grover. Don't worry about tinkering with the settings, they're good to go. This bad boy is going to be our momentum confirmation buddy. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. All right, let's talk entry conditions. For a long trade, we want to make sure the market's got enough bullish juice. Check out that Andean Oscillator green line above the yellow and red lines means we're in business. And once our whole butterfly oscillator crosses above that upper level, it's like the universe giving us a high five for spotting that strong bullish trend. Time to hop in, set our stop loss, and take profit levels. And for a short position, flip the script. We're looking for bearish momentum, green line below the yellow and red lines in the Andean oscillator. Once our whole butterfly oscillator crosses below that lower level, it's like a neon sign saying strong bearish trend. Right this way. Set those stop loss and take profit levels and let the trading game begin. So there you have it, a nifty strategy leveraging the Hull butterfly oscillator and Andean oscillator to ride those market trends and momentum waves. It's all about spotting those entry points, setting up your safety nets with stop loss, and aiming for those sweet take profit zones. Well, folks, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you picked up some gems along the way. If you did, show us some love by hitting that like button and consider subscribing for more trading goodness. Until next time, happy trading.